The Zelkari Empire had conquered 47 star systems without firing a shot. Their method was elegant: scan the genetic code of any species, identify their biological vulnerabilities, and deploy tailored pathogens. Civilizations would collapse within weeks, their immune systems helpless against precisely engineered diseases. When they encountered humanity on the frontier world of New Helvetia, the Zelkari expected another easy victory. Ambassador Thexanael personally oversaw the genetic sampling, confident that within days, they would identify the perfect weakness to exploit. The results took 3 weeks instead of 3 days. Dr. Varana Kresh, the Empire's chief xenobiologist, stood before the War Council with trembling appendages. "Honored commanders," she began, her translator struggling with her distress, "the human genome is unprecedented." "Explain," demanded High Commander Zexthor. "Their DNA doesn't just store information, it's a weapons archive." Varana's holographic display materialized above the council table. 8% of human genetic code consists of ancient viral DNA. Retroviruses that infected their ancestors millions of years ago, now permanently integrated into their genome. Viral remnants? Zexthor leaned forward. Then they're already compromised. Perfect. No, Commander. You misunderstand. Varana's voice cracked. These aren't dormant infections. They're trophies. Humans have been fighting biological warfare since before they achieved sentience. Their immune system doesn't just defend, it learns, adapts, and incorporates defeated pathogens into their own genetic memory. She expanded the display, showing cascading data streams. Every human carries antibody genes that can produce 10 billion unique proteins. Their immune cells can recognize and respond to threats that don't even exist yet. They have backup systems for their backup systems. Another council member spoke, "Surely we can overwhelm." "We tried." Varana interrupted, a breach of protocol that went unpunished. "In simulation, we deployed our 17 most lethal pathogens simultaneously. Within 72 hours, the human immune response had identified, catalogued, and begun producing countermeasures for all of them. By day 5, the test subjects had developed permanent immunity and their modified antibodies were present in their bloodstream, ready to pass to offspring." The council chamber fell silent. "There's more," Varana continued. "Humans possess something called genetic memory through their immune system. When they encounter a pathogen, they don't just survive, they remember. Their children inherit resistance. Their species doesn't just adapt to biological warfare, they're evolutionarily optimized for it." High Commander Zexthor stared at the genetic map floating before him, a double helix that represented not weakness, but an eons-long record of survival against impossible odds. 47 species have fallen to our methods," he said slowly. "What do you recommend?" Dr. Kresh closed the display. "Diplomatic relations, Commander. Immediately. Because if we attack them with biological weapons, we won't be the first to try." She paused, letting the implication settle. "We'll just be the latest to fail. And unlike previous threats, we won't become a genetic memory in their DNA. We'll simply become extinct." The Zelkari Empire opened formal diplomatic channels with humanity the following day. The treaty was signed within a month. Some wars, they learned, are lost before the first shot is fired.